Welcome back, everybody. The next grocery store we're going to take a look at for Halloween products is Kroger. I've actually had good luck with them in the past. Sometimes they've got really good stuff. But this kind of impresses me. You can get 2 pumpkins for $8. That seems like a bargain. They're pretty good-sized pumpkins, too. But if you're like me and prefer the gourds, or as I like to call them, the ugly pumpkins, 2 for $12. Look at the assortment here. I'm sure if I'd come in earlier, there would have been much more. But look at that one with all the little warts on it. I love it. It says that you can be the spookiest house on the block with some of the decor that they offer. We've got some pumpkins and some little light up haunted houses. I'm assuming they light up. All this stuff here was on the top shelf and I couldn't really get to it. I'm sure those things must have had a try me button. I'm sure they would have sold much better if people could actually touch them. Or maybe they don't want the kids to touch them. I don't know. But here you have the blow molds. They're kind of plasticky. I mean, I guess that's what a blow mold is, but I don't know. It's a battery-operated thing, as we can see here in a moment, when I reach way up high and turn it on, which doesn't impress me. I like the good old-fashioned ones with the light bulbs. Reminds me of being a kid, I guess. Anyway, as we move on to some of the decor, they've got some creepy cloth and tablecloths, $9. That's kind of pricey. And here's some sort of like decorative skeleton. That was way too much, I think. But they have some cauldrons here we can actually press and turn on. I do like the fire effect, but honestly, I think it ruins the whole point of a cauldron. I mean, what cauldron has, visible fire coming from inside it? It just doesn't make sense. They do have some banners here. Looks like we have a keep out, zombie something or other, treat zone, caution, and I think that's probably it. Some plastic spiders, goodies to give away, some plastic buckets, and here are some plushies of all sorts. Let's see, we've got a mummy. I guess this guy's a scarecrow, maybe, just for fall. And then Dracula, and I don't know, is that supposed to be like the Bride of... Oh, no, that's a witch, I guess. Almost reminded me of the Bride of Frankenstein. I do like the climbing zombie. I don't know how much that was. I mean, it's just placed there randomly, but I think some of the things they do have really good prices on. Other things seem a little overpriced, I'm not sure. We've got some light up eyeballs and some pathway markers. Speaking of lights, we can press some more buttons. It doesn't look like people come to Kroger much to buy their lighting supplies. You can see there's still quite a few on the shelf, except for maybe this projection effect. Of course, these are things you can get everywhere and anywhere. I'm not sure if these are branded Kroger specific or not, but I don't think there's anything groundbreaking or astounding here. But you can get your string lights and spiders and skulls and ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns, or just the regular strings if you prefer. There's a nice little mantle scarf there. I love mantle scarves. But look at all of these lights. This is probably a good place to shop when it gets close to Halloween and you want to get all the clearance stuff, because people don't think to shop here. I've got some inflatables. I actually have that little ghost with the jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat bag. I did a review on that, I think, last year. Check it out if you're interested. I think it's a cute little inflatable. But again, some more buckets and a candle warmer in the shape of a jack-o'-lantern. And lots and lots of candy buckets of all shapes and sizes and decorations. We also have some candy bowls. And then, in case you need Halloween-themed rubber ducky, let's see, we've got a pirate and a skeleton. I do like the Frankenstein. I'm glad there's a lot of Frankenstein merchandise this year. It's kind of hard to come by sometimes. I guess these are just little light-up toys. Let's go and press that. Okay, so look at that. It changes colors. That is kind of cool. I love how it gradually changes. It seems like it's more high-tech than it is. And of course, it's still a little pricey, but it's on sale. I don't think I'd pay $7 for it. It kind of reminds me of stuff you'd see at the Dollar Tree. We've got some candles in Halloween themes, poison apple and so forth. I like these the best, though. They've got really nice Halloween-ish labels. Zombie brew. Nice. This candle warmer over here is kind of cute with the little cats. I love the the design of that cat. And then you've got all sorts of scents you can put in your candle warmers. And they have some plates and napkins. I think there was a little bit more of this that I didn't get on camera. So they've got a few designs there. And we've got some plushies here. Let's see what happens. Okay, don't know why anyone would want that. Do kids play with these often? I'm not sure. This guy's very quiet and he just sort of falls off the shelf anyway. I don't know why anyone would want this. Maybe it would entertain a toddler for a few minutes, but after that, really, does it just go in the garbage? I don't know. Some other little tchotchkes and doohickeys, and I'm not sure what those things are. The candles, maybe? These are little light-up heads of Disney characters. We've got Jack and Sally and Oogie Boogie and Maleficent and Cruella de Vil and Ursula. It's kind of cute. And some more tinsel products, cats and ghosts. This actually looks kind of substantial. Park your broom sign. You kind of get those everywhere, though. It's almost pretty much standard for every store to have them. Okay, we've got some bulbs over here. I noticed that said Halloween bulb. They're not even going to try and cheat you by calling it a blacklight bulb anymore. That's nice. Oh, that's a really nice fire effect coming off this ghost. We've got a couple of other pumpkin lights here. There's a flaming pumpkin I did a review on last year. It has a nice effect, but it's kind of loud. This one's a rainbow effect. It was a little too loud in the store to tell if they've improved that sound or not, but I think I got mine on clearance really close to Halloween last year. So again, if you see something you want, come back in a couple of weeks. If it's still there, it'll probably be a lot cheaper. Of course, you have your pumpkin carving kits and then some cooking implements. I do like things you can put on cakes and cupcakes and things, like those little knives. I like to stick them in top of cupcakes with some red gel dripping down like blood. So you can get these products here kind of cheap. I mean, I've usually bought them at Target in the past, and I want to say it's similar priced, but I don't think Target sales happen quite this early. Got some mugs, some other kitchen implements for your little kids. Cups with glasses, I guess that's a good idea. And then, of course, some trays. Trick or treat. Squad ghouls. A little disappointed in the window clings. I would have expected a few more designs, but you've got an assortment of treat bags here. I need that really big one for all of my massive amounts of candy, which you can buy here. There's certainly a lot of candy for sale as well. But that'll do it for my walkthrough for Kroger this year. Stay tuned for other store walkthroughs, product reviews, DIYs, and so forth. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.